Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and replace the radiator. Looks like I have a leak here and it's overheating. See, I got a massive leak here. So I'm gonna just replace the radiator. So I'm going to show you how to do this. First, we're gonna go ahead and remove the plastic. We got some plastic little clips here. Very easy, guys. Just go ahead and remove all these little clips. Alright guys, so I went ahead and removed this hose. It's just a clamp. There's two hoses we must remove. This top one, then if you see down there, there's another one. I'll get to it right now. But right now we have a 10mm bolt there. 10mm bolt there. Then we have some 10mm bolts right here, and right here. That's to release the fans. Okay, so there's a 10mm bolt right here. This bracket. That's a bracket here, if you can see it there. I loosened up the bolt so I can turn it around. So that's holding the reservoir. See how this just removes? So we're gonna go ahead and just take off the cap and let that loose. Alright, I have my drill here. And it has a 10mm socket attached to it. It's very easy to remove everything. I already removed all the other 10mm bolts which were there, and then they were attached to the fan over there on that side. So I removed it very easy with this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect all these little clips away from the fan so I can pull it out. So you got one there. Alright guys, now I'm on the bottom of the car. You see this plastic piece needs to come out. So we have some little clips here. Got some right there. Right there. Those, you just get a screwdriver and you put it in this hole first. You pop it out. Alright, I removed the plastic. Now this is the bottom radiator hose. The clamp, we just squeeze this and pull this out, remove it. 10mm bolt there. Then 10mm bolt right here. That's for this fan. Then if we move to the other fan here, 10mm bolt right there. And then there's a clip right here also. We're gonna remove this clip. Remove that clip over there. Remove this clip. I should be able to push it out. Alright guys, this is what the fan looks like when it's off. It was a bolt on the bottom there, 2 bolts on top, 2 bolts on top, 2 bolts on the bottom here. There was a little clips that were a pain. These right here, this one and this one. It was a struggle to get out, but I was able to take them out. Just want to show you what it looks like. Upon removing the fan and all the bolts, after that, see how clear it is, and removing the clips, now this radiator just comes out. It's very loose. See, there it is. Alright guys, we want to put our old radiator with our new one. I did purchase this new radiator from eBay. So far I've had good luck, so I purchased that. I just made sure that the fittings match up, and this one's a perfect fit. Also, everything from the old radiator we're gonna go ahead and put onto the new radiator. Cap, this hose, we're gonna go ahead and put it on there.